The mineral Stilbite. Stilbite is a fascinating mineral that belongs to the Zeolite group, which is essentially a group of hydrated aluminosilicate minerals. The mineral has a unique name, which comes from the Greek word stilbine, which essentially means to shine. In this video, I'm going to try and delve deeper into the mineral stilbite, give you its composition, how it forms, where it's found, how to identify it, and its worth. As far as minerals go, the composition of stilbite is actually enormously complex. Its composition can essentially be described as a hydrated sodium, calcium and aluminium silicate. It's got a Mohs hardness scale of 3.5 to 4, and the luster is what's known as vitreous to pearly. It also has a transparent to translucent appearance overall. Stilbite is formed from volcanic rocks as well as volcanic ash, which have high silica content. It's also formed in hydrothermal veins and cavities in basalts and other mafic rocks. Stilbite forms in low temperature hydrothermal systems, and it is commonly associated with other zeolites such as heulandite or even scholasite, which is in the photograph. Stilbite is a fairly widespread mineral. By virtue of this, it can be found in various countries around the world, including, but not limited to, India, which is where we generally tend to find ours, Iceland, Scotland, which is where it was discovered, and the United States and Germany, amongst many other places. The most significant deposits of stilbite are found in India, particularly in the state of Maharashtra. It should never be terribly difficult to identify stilbite, as stilbite can be identified by its distinctive crystal shape, which is usually in the form of flattened or tabular crystals. It has a pink, salmon or white colour, and it is often occurring in aggregates of small crystals. When viewed under a microscope, stilbite has a characteristic sheath-like structure, which is actually known as a wheat sheath habit. As I briefly alluded to earlier, stilbite was discovered in Scotland in 1792 by a scientist called James Watt. The largest known crystal of stilbite measured over 1 metre in length and was found in Maharashtra in India. Stilbite is still sometimes used as a water filtration system because of its ability to absorb and remove heavy metals from water, which is broadly an extension of zeolites as a group. By virtue of the fact that stilbite has limited commercial and industrial applications, its overall value is not hugely high, which is not the same as saying it isn't valued, it just depends by who. It's sometimes used as a decorative stone, and it's highly sought after by mineral collectors. The value of stilbite, like many other minerals and crystals, is dependent on its size, colour and crystal formation. As usual, I would be enormously grateful if you would submit in the comments section suggestions about minerals, gemstones, fossils, or areas of geologic significance that you would like me to discuss next.